We need Oduduwa nation. We need our land. Yes, sir. We need our land.
Oh, yes. Whether you like it or not.
Nigeria, we end SARS, we end SWAT. Oh, yes! No more war Nigeria. Oh, yes! No more war Nigeria. Oh, yes! Say more we are being more we. Oh, yes! We need your Oduduwa nation. Yes. We need your Oduduwa nation. Yes. Amalgamation is time for force. Yes. 1940 amalgamation. We time for it. Yes. We can't join the Hausa and Oduduwa together again. Yes. We don't need the Hausa Fulani again. Yes. We don't need the rice air again. Yes. No more Boko Haram. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights. Let's go. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We are always fighting for our rights. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We are always fighting for our rights. And Nigeria. Oh yes. We die for Nigeria. Oh yes. We need Oduduwa nation. Oh yes. We need Oduduwa nation. Yes. We die of Boko Haram. Yes, we die of S-man. Yes. Oh yes. We need Oduduwa nation. Oh yes. We don't need those against Nigeria. Yes. We need our nation. And Nigeria.
And Nigeria and swag.
Straight. Pass it. And South. And Nigeria. Is the answer. Otherwise, legalize a gun for us. Let's play a game. Let's play a game. Yes, now. Yes. No more SARS.
No more Nigeria, no more SARS.
Exactly. That's what Trump is here. Exactly. Is the answer. No more SARS.
This is Oduduwa Nation. No more Nigeria. Yeah, no more S-Men, no more Boko Haram. We want Oduduwa Nation. This is Oduduwa. Hey. This is Jaguar Squad Oduduwa. Yeah, we want Oduduwa Nation. No more Nigeria. Yes, no more Boko Haram. No more S-Men. Yes. After Iluwa. Jagomo na so. Ọlọ́run Oòduà tọkàntọkàn. Ìlú wa la fẹ́.
No Dambasa Hausa. They dey craze.
Mo ń bọ̀. À ń lọ, mo ń bọ̀. Na so. One nation. Dada. Ẹ bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀. jẹ́ ká mo fẹ́ mú yín wọnú mọ́tò ni mo fídíò yín báyìí lọ. ẹ máa lẹ mọ. mo ti gbọ́ ẹ máa wọnú mọ́tò. ẹ jẹ́ ká wọlé náà ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ gbà mo jòkó yẹ kí a ṣe sùúrù.